Sulfuric acid can be manufactured by lead chamber process, cascade process, or contact process. Contact process involves sulfur dioxide produced by burning sulfur or iron pyrites in oxygen air. Sulfur dioxide formed is oxidized sulfur tried by air in the presence of catalysts such as V2O5 or platinized asbestos. The sulfur dioxide is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid and produces oleum H2S2O7. Oleum is converted into sulfuric acid by diluting it with water. For pure sulfuric acid is colorless, viscous liquid. High boiling point and viscosity of sulfuric acid is due to the association of molecules together through hydrogen bonding. The acid freezes at 28 to 283.4 Kelvin and boils at 590 Kelvin. It is highly soluble in water and has strong affinity towards water, and hence it can be used as dehydrating agent. When dissolved in water, it forms mono H2SO4 H2O and dehydrates H2SO4 H2O 2H2O, and the reaction is exothermic. The dehydrating property can be illustrated by the reaction with organic compounds such as sugar, oxalic acid, formic acid, sucrose. C12H22O11 plus H2SO4 gives 12 carbon plus H2SO4.11 H2O. Formic acid CHCOOH plus sulfuric acid gives CO plus H2SO4 dot H2O. Oxalic acid COOH twice plus sulfuric acid gives CO plus CO2 dot plus H2SO4 dot H2O dot H2 plus H2SO4 dot H2O. Sulfuric acid is highly reactive. It can act as a strong acid and an oxidizing agent. Sulfuric acid is stable, however it decomposes at high temperatures to sulfur trioxide. Acidic acid is a strong dibasic acid. It forms two types of salts, namely sulfates and bisulfates. Sulfuric acid is an oxidizing agent as it produces nascent oxygen. Sulfuric acid oxidizes elements such as carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. It oxidizes bromide and iodide to bromine and iodine respectively. Sulfuric acid reacts with metals and gives different product depending on the reactant and reacting condition. Dilute sulfuric acid reacts with metals like tin, aluminum, zinc to give corresponding sulfates. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with copper and lead to give the respective sulfates. Sulfuric acid doesn't react with noble metals like gold, silver, and platinum. It reacts with different metal salts to give metal sulfates and bisulfates. It reacts with organic compounds such as benzene to give sulfonic acid. Benzene plus sulfuric acid gives benzene sulfonic acid C6H5SO3 plus H2O. Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, ammonium sulfate and sulfur phosphates and other chemicals such as hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. It is used as a drying agent. It is used in the preparation of pigments, explosives, etc. Dilute solution of sulfuric acid aqueous solution of sulfates give white precipitate barium sulfate with barium chloride solution. It can also be detected using lead acetate solution. And here a white precipitate is or lead oxide sulfate is obtained. Barium chloride plus H2SO4 gives barium sulfate plus H2HCl. Sulfur forms many oxoacids. The most important one is sulfuric acid. Some acids like sulfurous and diatonic acids are used in the form of their salts only, since the free acids are unstable and cannot be violated.